Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Agamishan and I am from the Narayana College of Management. So today I am going to explain business model canvas. So business model canvas. Today I am going to explain this particular topic, and this is an important topic for MBA students along with BBA and BCA. If you are seeking any business idea or you are an entrepreneur, so this topic will definitely help you. So today I will explain in a very precise manner. You will get an idea of what is exactly business model is, and of course its related term. So let's start the business model canvas. So basically business model canvas is a blueprint. It's a one-page visual representation of your business, how it operates and how it creates value for the customers. So basically business model canvas, it's a visualize and articulate your particular business related activities and ideas, and of course that will you give to the customers. So here, so in this particular model, there are 9 sections that are also known as 9 building blocks. So value propositions, key partnership, customer segmentation, customer relationship, cost structure, revenue stream. So these are the 9 blocks. One by one, we will dive into this. So first one is a value proposition. Value proposition is basically what value you will deliver to your customer. Like I will give you an example for this particular value proposition thing. So like Domino's Pizza value is hot and fresh pizza, and they will deliver within a 30 minutes. So this is all about the value proposition, and of course unique features, improve performance, cost saving and convenience. These will also define your values of the business. Customer segmentation, basically customer segmentation is all about your mass market and specifically niche market. That will depend of course on a product and service, and after that you can segmentize your market as per your business requirement, and of course for the product and market. And of course if your product has multiple product line, so you can diversify your product market as per your requirement. In this line, another one is a channel. So basically channel, how you will operate, how the medium that will define and represent your business to the customers. Like in today's time, website is one of the channel, retail stores, social media platform, and of course email marketing. These will be channel. Next block is and next section is a customer relationship. This is a very essential and crucial section. Of course, because you have to first your primary focus is how you will get the customers, and along with that, after getting the customer, how you can grow with them. So growing with the customer, getting the customer, these are the essential things. So you can create a customer relationship through the transactional things, personalization, and of course you can co-created your product ideas or product improvement with the through the customer feedback. Next one is a revenue stream. So revenue stream is how you can earn money. It's all about the money. As a business, how can you earn a lot of money and create more sales? So sales, subscription, advertising. So these are the things that you can use to get the money. In this order, key resources, another concern. So in this particular block, you will get the answer of this particular question, and the question is, what asset do you really need? So key resources will be people, technology and physical assets. And next one is a key activities. What action do you take as a business owner, as a स्ट्रेटेजिक कंसल्टेंट वॉट वो आपके एक्शंस क्या होंगे जो कि आप एज अ बिजनेस पर्पज से लेंगे. सो प्रोडक्शन, मार्केटिंग, सेल्स एंड कस्टमर सर्विस could be or would be a key activities, and this should be key activities. आपको एज अ बिजनेस पर्सन इन सभी एक्टिविटीज पे फोकस करना चाहिए. एंड ऑफ कोर्स key partnership in this section. Key partnership is a like your stakeholders. So your suppliers, your distributors, your strategic alliance, even your customers. ये सभी आपके स्टेक होल्डर्स होते हैं जो कि आपके बिजनेस से जुड़े होते हैं. लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, कॉस्ट स्ट्रक्चर. एंड through this particular block you will get the answer of this particular question. What are your expenses as a business? You may be a lot of expenses, so you will get this particular answer. So in this particular section you can concern how can you manage your money and minimize the cost. So you have to minimize the cost and of course how you can manage the money effectively. So these are the section or the 9 building blocks in this particular business model canvas. This was developed or created by Alexander Osterwald. He is a consultant management thinker and he created for the business owner, for the strategic consultant, so that they can identify, analyze, visualize their particular business. So this is all about the business model canvas. Thank you so much.